Pro Tools Carbon includes an integrated control room section which offers support for 3 sets of speakers in addition to 4 stereo headphone outputs. For artists, having an incredible sounding and immediate headphone cue mix can help to create an inspired and enjoyable performance. 4 sets of transparent sounding headphone outputs are included, which provide plenty of gain to keep you immersed in the music. From the hardware setup window in Pro Tools, each headphone pair can be sourced from either the main stereo mix or from discrete cue inputs, each of which can be customized to suit the artist's needs by the engineer in Pro Tools. For the engineer running the session, it can be handy to simply enable mirroring for the first cue output, HP1, from the main monitor mix in Pro Tools. Just like the speaker sets, the headphone sets are color-coded to match the illuminated controls on the front of the device. Press the illuminated headphone switch to focus control of the associated switches and indicators to the cue mixes. Press the data wheel to toggle between the available headphone sets while in this mode. Carbon will automatically sense which headphone pairs are in use, so you don't have to page through additional sets of parameters if they aren't connected. The level of the selected headphone set is displayed using color-coded segments above the encoder with a number indicating the specific cue mix. From the mix window in Pro Tools, we've created stereo routing folders for each of our essential groups of instruments, including drums, bass, keys, and vox. We've assigned pre-fader sends from each instrument folder to the 3 custom headphone destinations, including HP2, HP3, and HP4. We've also placed all of our primary effects, reverb, delay, and harmonics into its own routing folder and added the same sends so we can give each artist an individualized balance of effects while tracking. Each of the headphone sets has a master fader offering a gain stage for final attenuation nested inside of a basic folder called cues. If we select the 4 instrument folders, we can set a relative balance with the faders, then select Edit Copy to Send to quickly copy the mix to one or multiple headphone destinations. Follow Main Pan has been enabled on the pre-fader sends assigned to the routing folders. This option will mirror any pan changes from the source tracks up to all of the headphone send mixes. Carbon has a Talkback microphone built into the face of the unit for simple and efficient communication with the talent. Talkback can be engaged either by depressing the Talkback switch located near the mic preamp controls or by attaching a simple foot switch to the back of the interface and depressing it. Just like the headphone source selection, the Talkback mic gain can be adjusted from the hardware setup window in Pro Tools. We've created a mono aux track with an input sourced from Talkback, the last input path in the I/O setup. Finally, Talkback has been assigned to the HP2, HP3 and HP4 outputs via pre-fader sends. Carbon offers tremendous flexibility for artists and engineers alike by offering 4 dedicated pairs of high-quality headphone outputs, which can be fed individually from the main mix or from discrete inputs, allowing each of the listeners to have a custom headphone mix. For more information and other videos, visit the Pro Tools Carbon page on avid.com.